It's Festive OhioJimbo back with another holiday song, another classic, Up on the Rooftop. We're going to do this one really simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it with just 3.5 chords. We're going to do a G, a C, a D, and then we're going to throw in a D7th in there. So it's one of those songs where if you just play it, it doesn't really sound like it, but if you sing it and play it, now I'm not a singer, so just deal with this, but if you like these songs, please subscribe. Let me know what songs you want to hear. I'll simplify them and give you the best. So let's start in G. Up on the housetop, reindeer's paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Then you go into the chorus. It's very simple. Come down to C. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with old Saint Nick. That's how simple that one is. It's a really easy tune to play, and everybody recognizes it. So if you get the chance to kind of sing through this while you're playing it, it helps a lot. I'll go back through these chords here, and I'll put all these chords at the end of the video too, so you can see it, and you'll know exactly what chords to play. So let's go through it and just slow it down here so you can see the chords, because you're going to start with this up on the housetop with the G. Come down to reindeer paws. Not their paws, they pause, they hold. But out jumps good old Santa Claus. So it's a very easy transition. It goes from the up on the housetop, reindeer's paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Very simple. So you got that G, C, G, D. Remember that part because that's all, keeps going throughout the whole song. And then you say, down through the chimney with lots of toys, make up your own lyrics. All for the little ones' Christmas joy. So there it is again. So if you see it, it's down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. So it's up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus, down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Very simple. And then you get into the ho-ho-hos. The Christmas ho-ho-ho. Everybody loves this part and they all sing along. So you just get to a C and you go ho-ho-ho, who wouldn't go? Ho-ho-ho, who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Strum with it. Down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. The whole song, you just got it, the chorus. Now, there's a couple different verses in there, and you can kind of work with those if you want. That first comes stocking for little Nell, and you're going to have to make up some of those words. I don't have all the words to it. I'll just show you how to play this lyrics to it, and it's fun to have a sing-along. That is Up on the Housetop. I think I called it Up on the Rooftop. It's Up on the Housetop is the official name of that song. So have fun playing that one. Enjoy it. Enjoy your holiday season. I got so many more Christmas classics and holiday tunes coming up, so make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell. You'll be alerted. And I've got a full playlist of just Christmas songs. So you won't have to go through all the campfire songs for this time of year. Just go through the Christmas songs. So thanks for tuning into this here at OhioJimbo. I just want to say, if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here. Or ho, ho, ho.